I hit this issue today and here is the quick fix that solved it. Changing your SIM card on Otwo can be straightforward if you follow these steps carefully. Step 1. Power off your device. Before you begin, make sure to turn off your phone. This helps prevent any potential damage to the SIM card or device. Step 2. Locate the SIM card tray. Find the SIM card tray on your device. This is usually on the side of the phone and may require a SIM eject tool or a paperclip to open. Step 3. Remove the old SIM card. Gently eject the tray and remove the old SIM card. Make sure to note how the card is positioned so you can insert the new one correctly. Step 4. Insert the new SIM card. Place the new SIM card into the tray, ensuring it fits snugly in the correct orientation. Then carefully reinsert the tray back into the device. Step 5. Power on your device. Turn your phone back on and check for network connectivity. You should see Otwo in the signal bar if the SIM card has been recognized. If not, try reseating the card. If you follow these steps, you should be able to change your SIM card without any hassle. Good luck and enjoy your new service.